Good morning, YouTube. It is Thursday, and I am going to do a day of eating on Weight Watchers Smart Points. So I'm running late today, just grabbing a protein shake. Muscle Milk Light is 3 Smart Points for this container. Hey guys! I just got done with my meeting, and the place that I had to go to just happens to be next to a Tanger. So I'm totally taking my lunch break, and I am going to go to Kate Spade. So excited! I don't get there too often, so I want to look for that adorable thermal coffee mug that Erin from WW Lady 722 has, because I love it. So, alright, let's see if I can find it. Cute. Such cute stuff in Kate Spade, but they did not have any of the mugs. They didn't have any phone cases. I need a new phone case. So I did not get anything, but it was awesome to go there. The angels always sing, oh, when I walk in that store. So much cute stuff, but I did not get a bag. I got one actually for my 50-pound reward, which I've never showed you guys. So maybe on the next weigh-in Wednesday video, I will show you my Kate Spade bag. That's my 50-pound reward. So it's lunchtime. I think I'm going to go to Panera because it's right down the road. And I might even sit there by myself, which is like a vacation, because going to Panera with a 4-year-old is tough juggling everything, but she's such a good girl. But it'll be nice to go by myself. So I think that's where I'm going to go, Panera. OMG, so I totally had to go into Lane Bryant, and I fit into a 14-16 now. It's a little tight, but it totally fits. I think I'm actually going to do a, Lane Bryant dressing room video, so I'm not going to put that here, but I'm in a 14-16. It's so awesome. Wow, 14-16. Probably another 40 pounds I'll probably be out of Lane Bryant, which it would be kind of sad. It's been like my go-to store for years and years, but it'll be good to get into regular sizes. So wow, I'm in the lowest size they make, 14-16. So cool. So Panera was absolutely delicious. I had the turkey cranberry flatbread for 10 smart points and their kettle potato chips for 4 smart points. So that was a 14-point lunch. So yummy, yummy. So I did a quick food shopping. We're getting a blizzard apparently this weekend in New York. So I planned out my recipes, and I just did a quick food shopping at my local meat farms, and let me show you what I got. So I got some eggs. This looked really good. They're homemade corn chowder. They make a ton of different soups, which are really good. I got some fruit salad. I got garlic, shallot, onion, broccoli, sage, sweet potato. And then I'm making the sage and sweet potato are for this like sage sweet potato bake that I'm going to be making. So I'm excited about that. And then I'm going to be making the Weight Watchers, air quotes, best ever chili. So I got lean ground turkey, black beans, pinto beans, corn, Rotel tomatoes, fat-free refried beans, chicken broth, tomato sauce, and some multi-grain scoops to dip the chili in there. That's super yummy. I got some fat-free sour cream, fat-free Ready Whip, sugar-free Jello as a little snack with a squirt of the Ready Whip. And this sugar-free, no sugar added rice pudding is really good. And then just some yogurts. Toasted coconut vanilla. I think I've had this one before. It was really good. I can't remember. And key lime pie, 2 of those. So, all right, we're ready for the snowstorm. Alright, it's time for dinner. I'm going to be making this Jack Daniel's pulled chicken. Easy, delicious. For 5 1/3 ounces is 7 Smart Points with some broccoli. We're going to steam that, and I'm going to put that on that fold it, which is 3 Smart Points, and serve it with 3 ounces of shoestring fries. 3 ounces is 3 Smart Points. So, looking forward to this. Finished dinner. Unfortunately, my flat out wraps were moldy, so we're just going to eat it like that. And interesting, when I weighed the french fries frozen, it was 3 ounces, but now it's cooked, it's 2 ounces. So what do you count it as? And yep, so here's dinner. Looking forward to it. Alright, so tonight's snack is gonna be this Cozy Shack no sugar added rice pudding, which is 3 Smart Points, and surprisingly, 4 tablespoons of fat-free Reddi-wip is 0 Smart Points. I've never bought the fat-free before, so that's pretty awesome. And then we just put some some cinnamon sprinkled, mix it in the rice pudding and on top. Adds a little bit extra yummy flavor. So, also something crazy, I looked up that Muscle Milk Light, and it was showing only 2 Smart Points, and I was like, well, how can this be? And I calculated the nutritional information, and yep, it is only 2 Smart Points. So it used to be 3, now it's 2. I don't know. I'm not asking questions. So now it's 2 Smart Points. So I only had 29 Smart Points today. I get 39 a day, but I went over yesterday and dipped into my weeklies, so I'm happy with being under today. So, alright, that was my day of eating and shopping, and it was quite the whirlwind today. So, hope everybody had a great day, and stay fit and fabulous. Bye!